So what's in your toolbox? See, what's in your toolbox of life that made it so you was able to get through any adversity, any challenge, the strongholds, the tools to help you persevere, work harder, push through, remain disciplined. What tools do you have in your toolbox? What tools help you rise above? What tools help you conquer and never have to go back to the things that you used to do? What tools are tools that you are still utilizing today to stay on the path, to stay focused, to stay diligent, to remain disciplined? What tools? See, as you pass the tools along, do you know that the tools work, that they're sufficient to help others that you give the tools to conquer theirs? Are your tools made for just you, or can they be added to? Are your tools filled with wisdom, understanding, knowledge? You know, do they come with instructions to help the person that's in need of those tools at that time be able to build up on it, be able to utilize them efficiently? Are your tools rusted? Are your tools no longer sufficient? Are they no longer working and they're just sitting in your toolbox just collecting space? Or are your tools encompassing everything that you are? See, your toolbox will tell a lot about your life. It's going to tell you where you came from, the places that you made it to, and the person that you are today. So make sure your toolbox is adequate. Make sure it's equipped. And make sure your tools are ready for when the time comes for you to hand down to the next generation, for them to succeed.